Good afternoon. My name is Kyle Regier, and I am a high school social studies teacher at Halstead High School. This is my sixth year of teaching, and my wife and I just moved to Halstead last summer. So, big move. We both started our second jobs in education. Um, my area of study obviously was history and social studies, and my previous school was a Google school with Chromebooks, and now at Halstead we are more of an Apple school. So I'm a little bit disappointed to be taking this course now, but I am hoping to still get some good opportunities from this course and learn some things. I still use Google on a daily basis, even though we're an Apple school, and I've been trying to use some more of the Apple products, Apple programs. But Google is still a great resource, and I save everything in Google Drive, do a lot of work in Google Slides. So I'm hoping that this course really provides me with some new strategies, new ways to configure lessons and things like that. And maybe someday I'm going to go back to a school that does Google, and I'm sure that the things that I learned from this class will be very beneficial. So I look forward to learning with everyone and meeting everyone online. Thanks, and look forward to it. Bye.